I'm thankful for my bursary because it allows me to live a more stress-free life and focus on my studies.
I'm thankful for my bursary because as a husband and father of 3, it's going to benefit my whole family.
I'm thankful for my NBCC bursary because it helps me continue to succeed academically without worrying about the pressures of repayment or interest.
I am thankful for this bursary because it will definitely help me go a far way with my tuition. I am also thankful to NBCC and the donors for providing this assistance. I definitely think it will go a far way.
I'm grateful for this bursary this year because it helped me pay my tuition and also reduce my cost of living.
I am thankful for this bursary because it gives me peace of mind and allows me to focus on my studies.
I'm thankful for my bursary because it has helped me with living expenses, as well as my textbooks and extra study aids that have helped me, such as the e-learn that is provided with the textbooks, which have greatly influenced my studies.